Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload a CapCut video to your TikTok account. So if you are editing or if you are edit your TikTok videos on CapCut, you can directly upload it to your TikTok by doing this. So after you finish your projects, you can just click on export at the top. Now just wait until the exporting process is finished. Okay, now after it's done, here you can see there will be this button, share to TikTok. So if you want to upload it to your TikTok, you can easily tap on this button, and after that you'll be directed to the TikTok apps on your phone like this. Now you can do some edits if you have to, or you can just click on next to continue and then just write the captions in here, and after that you can post your clips. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.